Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best shower niches that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Tile Redi USA Single Recessed Shower Niche. If you are looking for a shower niche for all your shower storage needs with a recessed shelf, this is the right pick for you. Installing this shower niche can be done either horizontally or vertically depending on your needs. This way, therefore, you will easily store all your shower necessities like shampoos, razors, soaps, and many more. One of the most impressive features of this shower niche is its ready-to-tile design. Basically, install the shelves and directly lay tiles on your niche surface. This way, you will be able to customize it to perfectly match the look and feel of your shower. What's more, this niche is made of waterproof and leak-proof plastic material to guarantee years of reliable use. Moving on at number 4, we have the eModernDecor Recessed Shower Niche Organizer. The eModernDecor shower niche features a waterproof and leak-proof design. This will therefore ensure that it is free from conditions that compromise its functionality like mold and mildew. Unlike the conventional hand-fabricated shower niches, this one will serve you better. Again, this lightweight shower niche is made of quality ABS material which will guarantee its durability. Another great thing to appreciate about this shower niche is its versatile design. This is the reason why you will be able to install it either vertically or horizontally according to your preferences. Even better, it is quite fast and easy to install this shower niche directly to your bathroom wall surface. Part of the reasons for its simple installation is that it comes with pre-drilled holes. At number 3, we have the Housables Prefabricated Shower Niche. This shower niche will create more space in your bathroom and allow a perfect organization of your shower products. Other than that, you can effortlessly install this shower niche between your bathroom's wall stud. This is because it doesn't need heavy-duty installation or remodeling. To add to that, this prefabricated shower niche allows you to place tiles on its surface after installing it. For that reason, your shower will have a uniform look. Another great feature of this shower niche is its lightweight and premium quality construction. With that, it will remain resistant to water and leakages while offering protection from rust, mold, and mildew. What's more, its recessed shelving design complements any bathroom, adding a touch of luxury. It also comes in a versatile design that makes it flexible to be installed in different angles, ensuring that it meets your storage needs. At number 2, we have the Tile Redi USA Shower Niche. This is a ready-to-use shower niche that boasts a comprehensive design for your shower storage needs. You will appreciate that it comes with 3 recessed shelves to make sure that this is possible. Apart from that, you can simply install it either vertically or horizontally depending on your storage preferences. It, therefore, becomes an ideal shower niche for the perfect storage and organization of all your shower products. You will also appreciate that this shower niche comes in a ready-to-tile design. This will therefore enable you to customize the shelf and give it the look and a feel of your shower. Most importantly, it is made of quality plastic material that will ensure that it withstands heavy-duty use. It will also be able to resist any leakage and remain waterproof even with repeated use. And finally at number 1, we have the Alfie Brushed Stainless Steel Shower Niche. If you are looking for a shower niche that won't require extra labor and expensive tile work, this niche deserves your attention. It arrives fully finished and in a ready-to-mount design. Unlike the conventional niches, with this niche, you will be able to give your bathroom a sleek style of stainless steel. Besides, its 24-inch width will provide enough storage space for your bathroom products. This shower niche has an incredibly easy installation since it comes with adhesive strips on its back. Other than that, it features high-quality and durable construction which is rust-proof and waterproof. This, therefore, makes it the ideal niche for wet bathroom environments. You will also appreciate that its sloped design allows water to drain quickly out of the niche. Thanks you for watching guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, Please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.